Hi, this is Mark Frechette from Georgetown County School District, and I wanted to show you today an update that Google Classroom has recently unleashed. What's great about this is before, with all of the updates to Google Classroom, the problem was as a teacher, and you can see that I'm in my classroom right now as a teacher. If I went to classwork and I had resources that I wanted students to be able to access and use throughout the year, I had to create them as either an assignment or a question. And so again, when I couldn't just create it and have those resources be there for students without having them be either a question or assignment. However, now what's great is I can come up here to create, and you can see I now have the option of adding materials. What's great about this is when I click on it, again, you get the same kind of information as before. So I'm just going to type in something to show you. I'm going to say this is everything. And you can see down here, I can still add a topic to this. So I would put this under my resources. And then again, I have the attachment options, the same attachment options available. So I'm just going to grab a syllabus that I have in my drive. Oops. And you can see that I've attached it now. Again, you have the same features. I can post, I can schedule, I can save a draft. For this, I'm going to make it for all students. I'm going to make sure that it's in my resources, and I'm going to hit post. Again, you'll notice that now this does appear under my resources. You can see that the icon for this is slightly different than before when it was an assignment. And the other cool part about this from the student view is that there's only two places that this is going to appear. When they go to their stream, it will be when it was first posted. It'll show up as right in your stream. And then the second place for them, as far as a student goes, is when they go into their classwork section and they view their work. It's not going to show up. However, it will show up under this topic under resources. So that way it doesn't get congested in their feeds or anything like that. They'll always know that they can go here and they can find those materials. So again, a feature that I'm super excited that Google added back to the classroom. Many of you were asking how to do this, and now you can. So good luck adding your materials.